back to my channel. My name is Sierra, and today I want to make a little Christmas soap dish. I have these little gingerbread cookie, the little ornaments. I got them from Hobby Lobby, and I have some resin poured here. I'm not going to use any color in this to start. I just want to get some resin down. Just want to fill up the corners, basically. Well, I want to put enough in there. I think I'm going to leave it right there, like that, because I want to have enough room to put these little things in without them popping up. And I'm going to let this resin sit up for about an hour and a half, and then I will be back and we will go on to the next step. So yeah, I see it separating there. Let's see, I just want to make sure these will fit in there without it pooching over. Let's see if that'll be enough. I'll keep an eye on it. So yeah, I will be back as soon as this sets up. I just want it to get a little thicker so that these don't sink all the way down, and we'll go from there. I will see you shortly. Okay, it looks like this has thickened up enough to start putting these in. I do have my gloves on. I'm gonna pop them down like that. Hope I'm not creating any bubbles. We'll find out. This one's gonna go here. I'm just pushing it down like so. And I will be babysitting this. To make sure that these don't pop up on me. I shall see. I don't know if this is going to work. Okay, now I want to add some color. Let's see. I don't want to add the same colors. So we got blue, then we got that one, we got red, and pink, and yellow. Okay, let me get some tweezers. And just going to grab it by that and put that in there. They will not shake. They won't have that little rattle sound to it. The resin will get in there. I'm just using it for the color. This way. Do this one. Ooh. And I got my resin heating up on the side there because I want to come in, I don't know, about 30 minutes and pour some to the top of this. This one, it looks like it is. And I'm not going to pull that out. We shall see. We shall see. Okay. Just don't want an air bubble popping up under him. Add some more colors. Let's see what we got. I obviously like that purple. Let's see. I want to add one there. one there. I think that'll be good. I'm gonna leave it alone. And I will come back as soon as this sets up just a little bit more to add some more. Just another little clear coat, and then we'll go from there. Okay, it has been about 25 minutes since I put these in. Move these out of the way, and I have some resin here. I want to add some, a little bit of dazzling diamond in there, just a tiny bit, not a lot. It's very easy to go overboard with this stuff. That's good right there. Let's see how much I can mix in there. I pulled my camera out a little bit so that I'm not like I was up here. Now I'm actually closer to the end of the table. I can actually sit closer to my projects and see them. I mean, it's right in front of me, you know. I mean, it was up here with the way the camera was set up. So I don't know why I did that when I set this up. So anyway, there is that. That looks good. I'm trying to season the stick. Trying to. And all you do is to season a stick is just mix resin with it, and I'm trying to get it across the whole stick. Like this one. This one is completely covered in resin. And one thing about wooden sticks, when you're using wood to mix resin, wood is porous and it can introduce bubbles. Let's see if we can do this now. We'll start with them. Cover them up. This mold, I guess it says 4 ounces. I've never used this mold before, so I have no idea. I do want to come back in with a pearl mica powder. That's what I want to back it with. So I don't want to fill it to the tippy top with resin. So that was 2 ounces. I think that'll be good. Real good, actually. Okay. And I will give it a quick spritz with isopropyl alcohol. And I probably kind of help it get into these corners a little bit. It doesn't really need help. It looks like it's doing a fine job by itself. That one I want to cover. That looks good. It looks real good. And there's enough room to maybe for, I don't know, another ounce. Something like that. I will not be turning my heat mat on right away. I'm going to let it set for about an hour, and then I will turn the heat mat on to speed up the curing process. But I want to let any bubbles that are going to rise, I want to let them rise up before I go there, before I do that. So I'm going to let this cure, and I'll see you for the next step. Hopefully I don't have any bubbles underneath my little cookies. So I'll see you soon. Okay, this is cured, and we're going to do a little top coat, and I'm going to use Arctic Pearl mica powder. I'm going to open it up over here. I got a spoon. I'm going to try and scoop some out on the spoon. Almost out of this stuff. Alright, that should be good. I'm going to mix this in really good, and once I get it mixed in, I'll be right back. Okay, that is mixed up, looking good. And I'm going to give it a pinch, and we're going to pour. Okay, I'm going to let that cure, and once it's cured, we'll be back for the demold. Okay, this is cured. Let's see what we have. I hope we didn't get any air bubbles underneath my little gingerbread. Just never know. Put that to the side. Let's see what we got. I like the back. I love that shimmer. See that shimmer? Isn't that pretty? All right, let's see what we got. Oh, that is so cute. Isn't that cute? Oh, I really like that. I like that a lot. Let's see. Let me get my handy dandy. Isn't that just adorable? Look at the shimmer. Let me see if I can zoom in. Look at that shimmer. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. It's a couple little micro bubbles. Like, yeah, I mean, you can barely see them, but it's gorgeous. That is prettier than I expected. Isn't that beautiful? Let me know what you think. Do you like it? Leave it in the, let me know in the comment section. I like it. I like it a lot. I mean, I really like this a lot. I mean, it turned out beautiful. I'll have a link in the description for all of these. I did find these little gingerbread things on Amazon. They're expensive on Amazon. I did not pay that much. I got them for, I think I got the whole pack for like $6 at Hobby Lobby. I found just about everything that I could, so check the description box for that. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you got this far in this video, leave me a little Christmas emoji. Let me know that you got this far. Your likes and your comments really help my channel out a lot, and I truly appreciate it. To my subscribers, I truly appreciate you. I could not do this without you, and that is the truth. I want to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas, and you have a great day, and God bless. Bye.